So just a little bit of background. So the current usability models that we have, they lack considerations pertaining to mobility. So the existing usability models do not consider um, factors relating to the concepts of accommodating users' mobility. So the Nielsen model identifies 5 attributes of usability, including efficiency, satisfaction, learnability, memorability, and errors. And then utility is an entity that is beyond the usability spectrum for this usability model and is refers to the ability of a system to meet users' needs. And then there's the International Organization for Standardization, or the ISO, which determines or says that the extent to which a product can be used by specified users to achieve specified goals with effectiveness, efficiency, and satisfaction in a specified context of use is basically the other side of the usability model spectrum. And so the 3 factors that are commonly used to or to consider when evaluating the usability of an application are: one, who is the user that is intended to use this product or application? What is their intended goal? And then what is the context in which they are using this? And so that's where the mobility element comes into play. So a lot of these usability models didn't really take into account the mobility element. And so previously, the 3 measurable attributes have been effectiveness, efficiency, and satisfaction. So the accuracy that users are able to complete their specified goals within, the efficiency, how many resources do they need to expend in order to accomplish this goal, and then what level of satisfaction do they have with the eventual completion of this goal. So that's really like what's driving my desire to pursue this this question, really. And so what I've found in the literature so far is that the people at the Center of Mobile Application Development, or PACMAD, have developed a model that addresses mobility. And so this is the model that I want to use moving forward in my research. And it includes significant attributes from both models that we've discussed so far, including effectiveness, efficiency, satisfaction, learnability, memorability, errors, and crucially, cognitive load. And so that's really the differentiator here. That's the element that neither model of usability has addressed so far. And so it's we're really going to look at the user, the task, and the context from the perspective of the cognitive load that it takes to accomplish this. And so my objective in accomplishing my future research is to define a set of best practices as it pertains to maximizing the user-generated rating of mobile shopping applications. So basically, what are the most important things to consider when building an application that is aimed at pleasing the masses and generating the highest possible rating for its audience? And so one question guiding this research is what attributes are most important? And then second question, what attributes are least important when for users, specifically when considering the usability of mobile shopping applications? And so yes, again, we are looking at mobile shopping applications specifically. My methods will include a survey and user-generated content analysis. So for the survey, I'll have 25 participants between the ages of 18 and 34, hopefully split between male and females evenly, at least. And then they must have at least 1 to 3 shopping applications installed on their phones, and they must have used them at least once within the last 30 days. And the applications I'll be analyzing feedback for are Target, Amazon, Postmates, Urban Outfitters, and eBay. So for the survey, my goal will be to determine what features are most commonly held by highly rated mobile shopping apps, what features are most commonly held by poorly rated mobile shopping apps, and eventually, as I said, to determine a set of best practices and features that are viewed as most desirable for users when determining what mobile shopping app to use. And here I just have an example of the type of feedback I'll be analyzing. User-generated content is essentially just content or feedback that users have posted about using applications that and just sharing their opinions really about having used them.